How to redirect your visitors? Hmm, what is this? Yup, you will wonder how to redirect your website visitor after few seconds or maybe few minutes, but in this example, um, I'm talking about redirecting your web visitors to another website after 3, 4, 5 seconds, let's say few seconds. How to do it? If you are a, if you are an advanced web developer, you can easily do this because it's just a JavaScript. But if you are a beginner, this will be um this will be a nice tool. This will be something very powerful because especially when you do advertising with some websites, you will need to redirect your website visitor to another website after few seconds. How to do it? This is a plain HTML document. This document can be different. Let's say you have a long web page with a lot of contents, but here my web page is very simple. Let me show you the source codes. My source codes are very simple. It's HTML, document type and title, H1P. Especially there's one thing, it is this script. This small script is the most powerful thing that you will be used. How it will work, how it will affect with your visitor. Right now, you can see I have commented this this line. There's a reason because without this line, this page will be normal. It's just showing text. That's it. But after removing this comment, then this line will affect on that page. What it will do, I'm going to save this document and show you what will happen. I'm reloading the page, waiting. Ooh, it's redirecting to another website, alexamaster.net. I'm commenting this out. Right now, it's not redirecting. So, how to understand this code? I know you are a beginner. If you are an advanced person, then you will, or you will have turned off this video already. So, as a beginner, I'm talking to you. This code is very simple. It's a very simple JavaScript. There's a function set interval. No, this is set interval, but this one is not suitable. But why I am using this? There's another function set timeout. You can use this set timeout function. This is another function. I'm going to refresh this. Yeah, it's working. But I am recommending you to use set interval function. Why? Actually, this is a JavaScript. Set interval is, it is, there's a there's a function here, this one, location.href equal to a URL. This function is calling this line every 3 seconds. This 3000 means 3 seconds in JavaScript language. So 1000 means 1 second, 2000 means 2 seconds, 5000 means 5 seconds. So if we keep this 5000 here, this set interval function will call this line frequently. If you are a JavaScript programmer, then you will know set interval also set time out also will work on this tutorial. But why I am recommending set interval? Because sometimes set timeout function won't work. It depends. Some browsers are crazy nowadays. I have faced issues with timers, especially now Chrome, Firefox, they are updated. So set timeout function will not work on some websites, especially if you are using other timers. Then the browser will keep silent those timers. But if you use set interval, it will call this function until it redirects to this address. What it is doing, there's a interval, 5000 means 5 seconds. Then every time after 5 seconds, it will call this line. This line is, it means location.href. It means the location of this web page will be changed with this one. So I'm going to show you the example again. Okay, this is my opening web page or landing page. After 5 seconds, then it will be redirected to this website. I hope this tutorial will be very helpful for a beginner to boost their web traffic. Let's say you have 3 websites and you are advertising your website number 1. After 5 seconds, you redirect your website 1 with website 2. Then website 2 will be visible for 5 seconds. Then again it will be redirected to another website. So if you are advertising your website for on a traffic exchange or somewhere, then you can use this simple but powerful code to increase your web traffic, to boost your web traffic, to spread your web traffic. So this is very simple. I hope you can understand. This is set interval function. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel or like the video, and also you can comment down something. If you hate me, please also comment, but don't call my mom or my father. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I will upload more videos very soon. Okay guys, have a good day.